Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our June ice cream beauty box. For those of you who are not familiar with it, I will leave all the details down below, but I just want to let you know that it is a $29 box. $29.99, all right, and it has a minimum of 5 full-size products. Now, this is a woman-owned and run company. How about that? Okay. And I also have a coupon down below to get you money off on your first box. So let's just check it out and see what came in this month. All right. Now it says when we open up the box, the best things in life are sweet. And I love, love, love the fact that this box does still come with a description card, and it says our theme for the month of June is sun-kissed scoops. All right, so okay, right off the bat, yes. All right, the first item we have is actually we'll just talk about this one and then the second one as well. But we have a pair of multi-chromes, and this is a palette, and it's by CHARMACY GLOBal. And it says, these show-stopping palettes feature pigmented multi-chrome shadows that shift colors with every angle. Each shade delivers a mesmerizing high-impact finish that catches the light beautifully, whether you're creating a bold, colorful look or adding a subtle pop. This palette has you covered. The buttery formula blends like a dream and stays vibrant all day. Get ready to turn heads with every blink. Okay, now this one that I have is, all right, it doesn't necessarily call it a shade, but it says it's number 1. And it is a 9-gram size. It is a cruelty-free product, and it has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, I know you want to see exactly what it looks like, so let's just go ahead and open this up. And oh, this is gorgeous. All right, very, very nice. So this is what the inside looks like. You can see those beautiful shades. Just beautiful. Okay, and when we lift the top, how about that? They are beautiful. Now, these don't seem to have names on them, so I guess we're just going by color or what we think each color would be. So these shimmers, multi-chromes are doing their thing. Oh, absolutely beautiful. And I don't really have a shadow one, so when we do our swatches, which we always do at the end, maybe we'll create a look right quick, okay? So this is the first one. Now, we received 2 of them, and here's the second one. So let's just go ahead and open this one too. Uh-oh. No. Oh, come on. I think I'm being targeted, y'all. I think I'm being targeted. I hope this is just it falling out, but apparently something in here is broken. Oh, man. Come on. How come I get the broken ones? Well, I guess nobody else really has to worry about it because they come to me. But this one is definitely broken, and it's spilling all over the place. Oh, that's terrible. Can you see that? Look, this one right here and this one up here. They are both broken. Oh, I feel some kind of way. I had a palette in the bag 2 months ago. No, last month. And that one was broken. But that one's coming in. It has been replaced, and it's supposed to be in this month's bag. So we'll just wait and see. But even these shades are beautiful. Oh, man, oh, man. And there is a beautiful green in there. But nonetheless, there's nothing I can do about it now other than let them know. And it's a good thing that this was done on, you know, as I unboxed, because to have to keep calling them to tell them, look, well, I said call, and I meant email them to let them know. But nonetheless, each one of those, $30. All right. So, oh, we've more than paid for the box twice. Okay. So let's just keep going. The next item that I have is by Ofra Cosmetics, and it's in bubble wrap. Okay, and okay, I finally got the bubble wrap open. Oh, this is pretty. I need to check this against what I have before I open it. This is really pretty. It says the Candy Apple Blush, as I stated, from Ofra Cosmetics. It says, sweeten up your cheeks with this juicy blush that's as bold as it is blendable. Ofra's silky formula glides on effortlessly, delivering a radiant flush that's perfect for summer. Build it up for a statement look or keep it soft for a natural glow. Infused with skin-loving ingredients, this blush melts into the skin for a seamless finish. It's the ultimate treat for your complexion. Now, this one is a 0.25 ounce size. It has a 12-month shelf life, and it does not tell me if it is cruelty-free or not. Okay, so what do you think about that? This is really very, very pretty. Very pretty. I like that a lot. But I've switched over to my Fenty one for now. And my sister came to town and took my other one. But nonetheless, hey, that's my sister, so whatever. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $29. How about that? So this one is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Then the next item that we have is by Illuminati Cosmetics, and we just received one of these too. This one is the Elite Multi-Chrome Gel Eyeliner by Illuminati Cosmetics, and it says, line your eyes with bold, color-shifting magic using this multi-chrome gel eyeliner. The creamy formula glides on with ease, delivering intense pigment and a smooth, smudge-resistant finish. This icy silver to blue to light green shade is stunning, perfect for adding a unique twist to your everyday look or enhancing a dramatic eye. Get ready to sparkle from every angle. How about that? From every angle. Now, this one is a cruelty-free product. It has a 12-month shelf life as well. And it is a 0.001 ounce size. Okay, the outer packaging is really nice too. So look, it's got to be all that on the inside if the outer packaging looks like that. Okay, but as I told you, we did receive one previously, so I already know what it looks like. So this is what the inside of the pencil looks like. Now this one is definitely a different shade than the one I received before. This is beautiful. I don't know if you can really see that or not, but it's beautiful. So we are going to swatch it because I don't have one like this. And you know, I'm thinking about this. The next time I create a blue look, I will probably do the dark blue liner and then this one on the top. Now it also has a smudge. This one is a sponge though, a smudge sponge on the other side. Now the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $21. Let me tell you something. This box value is everything. So the next item that we have is by Rachel Couture. Is that it? Yes, this is Rachel Couture, and it's a lip duo. It's this one right here, and it says it's in the shade Mocha, and it contains a sheer lip gloss on one end and a clear lip gloss on the other. This lip duo is non-sticky and delivers unbelievable silkiness and shine. Luxuriously formulated with natural minerals to keep lips looking and feeling healthy. It is vegan, non-toxic, and cruelty-free. Now, this one, oh, this is just beautiful. I want to open it, but I don't want to open it. Let me see what kind of shelf life it has. This one also has a 12-month shelf life. And I've been going through lip glosses quite a lot, you know, since spring because I have not been using a lot of lipstick. I would put my liner on and then gloss it up. So this is quite nice. This is actually quite nice. And this one is a cruelty-free product as well. And it's Mocha right here, and of course the clear on this side. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $22. So I got to think about this for a minute between now and the time we swatch, which we only have one more item left. but I need to make a decision between now and then as to if I want to go ahead and open this one or just put it to the side. And I'm kind of leaning towards putting it to the side because I do have a shade similar. It just does not have the sparkly to it that we opened up on last month. So nonetheless, let's just keep going. So the last item that we have, actually it's 2 in 1. And this one is a brush and mini sponge set. And this is by Base Blue Cosmetics. Now we received I want to say it was a liner of some type. It could have been a eyeliner or a brow pencil, one of the two. But nonetheless, let's just go ahead and see. So it says, oh wow, this is really cute. This is really cute. But it says the next item we have is a brush and mini sponge set by Base Blue Cosmetics, as I stated. Now it says, flawless application starts with the right tools, and the brush and mini sponge set delivers. The brush is soft and versatile, great for applying powder, blush, or bronze. Okay, I'm sorry, or bronzer. It also comes with a great case, which makes it great for taking on a vacation. The mini sponge, which is what I actually have in my hand first, is perfect for precise blending in smaller areas like under the eye or around the nose. Together, they make the ultimate travel-friendly duo for touch-ups on the go. It's cute, compact, and super effective. Okay, so this one is the sponge. Okay, here's the sponge. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open this one first since this is what I pulled out first. Oh, yes. This is nice and squishy, soft. So y'all know it's going to go in my blender jar right here. I try to just put one of each size or brand in here. And since I don't have another one like this, I have a mini one, but it's not like this. This is too cute. So I have this one and it feels really nice. It's one of those kinds, soon as you put the water on it, it's going to be a wonderful size. So that's amazing. And then here is the brush. I'm gathering, since it's the last item in the box, right? This is the case they're talking about. That's nice. Okay, and the case has a sticker on it, so you know it hasn't been opened. So it tells you to go ahead and pull it to open. So I did that. And wonderful. It's on a hinge, so you don't have to worry about losing it. And there's the brush. Very nice. It's nice and dense. I want to see what it's going to look like once I wash it, because you know I have to wash them before I use it. That's nice. Very dense and extremely soft. Liking that. Okay, so the two, here's the pair. And on this brush, it just says Base Blue. It does not give you any specific, even though the description said you can use it for multiple items. Great for blush. Okay, to put on a face powder. Yeah, that's pretty good. Or a bronzer even. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this duo is $17. That's not bad for the two, and especially with the case. I'm not necessarily interested in this particular case to carry with me because that's not going to last very long. You know, that's not going to last very long at all. But that's not my concern. My concern is this part. Now, wonderful, wonderful. So what do you think? These are fantastic items as usual. I'm not surprised. This is what we get, you know, from Ice Cream Beauty Box. I will be reaching out to them about this palette. I'm kind of disappointed, but it is what it is. So I tell you what we will do. We're going to swatch. I think I'm going to swatch this blush because, am I? I want to say yes, but the only reason that I'm going to swatch this is because it's not sealed at all. You know, there's no tape over it or anything like that. And I'll swatch it, and then if it's somebody that's in my family that actually wants it, I don't have a problem, you know, giving it to them if it's a shade that I already have. So let's get to swatching, or Do we want to create a multi-chrome? I think I will. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to put a whole lot on. I'm just going to put maybe like a brown shade on the bottom on my lid, and then a little bit of the shimmer on the top. And I'm considering the center one. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pop this one open, and we're going to use this center duochrome. Not bad, not bad. Okay, I definitely swatched it here. This is the liner, and that is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And I did the under eye with that. So, what do you think? I'm happy to say it does not disappoint me yet again to receive the items that we have in our ice cream beauty box. Absolutely wonderful yet again. Now, I will reach out to them about this palette situation. Okay, I got multi-chrome all over a white shirt, okay? But nonetheless, love the liner. I like the blush. That was really nice. And it felt, it's Ofra. You know, we use Ofra all the time. So, what are your thoughts? While I'm talking about that, let me just press pause for a second and say happy birthday to my mom, who celebrated her birthday on the 18th of June. Happy birthday, Mom. Nonetheless, I just want to tell you, I want to thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our June ice cream beauty box. These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included. All right, make sure you like, give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you do like the ice cream beauty box as well as the items that came in it. Okay, make sure you give me a comment down below. And of course, make sure you subscribe. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And you already know it's easy on the pockets because it is free. Now, share this video with someone who, oh, this thing is shimmering. I'm sorry, I digress for a moment, but make sure you share this video with someone else. And then, most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.